Hi everybody, this afternoon in Computer 7 with Mr. Voss, we're going to be looking at Lesson 6 from code.org. So you'll get together with your paired programming partner and go right to code.org. Make sure to go up to your name, go to paired programming, make sure that you are still teamed up with that partner, otherwise add them back in, or if you're switching paired programming partners, add them back in as well. But we're going to go right to Unit 2, Lesson 6, which brings us back to doing more HTML coding with a look at lists. Lists introduces us to the OL, the UL, and the LI tags, which create unordered and ordered lists. Like many HTML tags, they have an opening and a closing component. If you're making an unordered list, which is bullet points, you would use UL and /UL. If you're making an ordered list, which will be a list of numbered items, you'd use OL and /OL. No matter what type of list you're making, you use the LI/LI tag for each item in your list. Here's more. As you work through Lesson 6, make sure to look at each and every activity included. There will be certain ones that I check off, but we'll look at those on Monday. In Lesson 6, number 2, they encourage you to use the inspector tool and find out how they made these lists. And you want to add a bullet point right down here to where it says 1 cup sugar. See how it's missing the bullet point there? You'll want to add that here. So here's the code. Here's how you do a list. In this case, it's an unordered list, meaning it's just a list of bulleted items. You first start by telling it you want to have an unordered list with the UL tag inside the brackets. Then for each item that you'd like a bullet in front of, you use the LI tag. At the end of each item that you'd like a bullet in front of, you use /LI. So the result is a bullet point and a list item on its own line. For our 1 cup of sugar, they forgot to put in the code. So we need to put an LI and a /LI on that line, our opening tag and our closing tag. And you can see over here, it's now added that bullet point in front of the term 1 cup sugar. Again, each list item has to have the LI and the /LI. Don't stop doing the unordered list until you're done. Again, the structure of the code requires that you tell it what kind of list you'd like it to be, an unordered list. Each item has an LI/LI, and when you're done with the list, you do the /UL. Don't make the common mistake. A lot of times I see people will put a UL for each item in the list, and it doesn't work that way. Or they forget to do the UL and the /UL. It doesn't exactly work that way either. It has to be structured as you see here in Unit 2, Lesson 6, number 2. Check that out and also look at the numbered list down below for the directions. They forgot number 2 for the word coat. There should be a list item tag in front of that. And a /LI after the word shortening. Now, as you can see, if we scroll back down, now we have a numbered list. So this is an ordered list. Things are in a numeric order, and therefore you have to use the OL tag to start your list. So they've started it with an OL, and then for each item, they use LI and /LI, LI/LI. Notice that they didn't use any numbers in the code. The numbers will appear automatically over here. Again, don't put numbers. If I put a number there, I'd have 2 number ones. You don't want that. By using the OL tag in conjunction with the LI tags in your list, it will automatically place the numbers on each of your list items when you're doing an ordered list. When you're done with all the items in your list, then do your /OL. Again, as you proceed through Lesson 6 with your pair programming partner, pay special attention to the examples they give you up in the instructions. Pay special attention to where you need to write your code in the web lab and your results over here on the right side. If you have any questions, again, work it out with your paired programming partner, or if there's another group near you that's figured it out, you can check with them too to see how they did it. Don't just copy their work though. Again, on Monday or next time in class, we'll look and see which ones we need to check off for each group and see how you did. Be good for Mr. Voss, and see you next time. Have a great day.